Let's go and make something. Bit of an update. What we've done is we've taken the original weatherboards off. We've actually put pink bats, or fiberglass pink bats underneath for insulation, and this here is just the moisture barrier. And then what we've got is down here here's the workshop. Hello workshop. We've got to come up with a flashing, put a flashing on, comes down over this, and we've kind of decided that we'll take this part off and all that off as well, and just redo it all on the same, because this part of the house is extra to the original house, so it's an add-on, goes into the conservatory, which is another add-on, so it's an add-on to an add-on. See, once we've got the weatherboards on, there will be a flashing comes down and a flashing comes down. It'll be just two bits of wood basically. It's maybe a 6x1 coming down this way and another one coming down this way, and that will just seal that until we're ready to do the front of the house, which is probably one of the last parts we're going to do. The rest will be done first. Once we've done this wall, the next wall is actually the back wall to do, and it'll be this wall here, down the stairs, and you can see there we've already done a wee test to see what's under it. That's where we first tested it to see if it was still the weatherboards, and take all this off. Not sure what we're going to do up there yet, where it goes onto the lean-to, which is the bathroom. But we'll take all that off. We won't be doing up and under here. We'll probably cut this and put a flashing, and then just weatherboard this bit. We are going back to the weatherboards because they're easier to deal with. So these weatherboards here, 108 years old. So, okay, we've now put the cavity battens up, and if you actually look down there, you can see the flashing, and then the air gap and anti-vermin air breathing apparatus. I'm not actually sure the true name of those, but anyway, that's the day doing that. And we've prepared the windowsills, the weatherboards to fit in. We had to cut them out. Next week will be the weatherboards, and it'll go up pretty quickly until we get up and under the eaves, where we'll have to put some separate battens up and all the rest of it. We'll just see how we go on the day. So we'll probably need a batten up here and a batten up here, whereas this one will be enough. Same on that one. There'll be a batten up there, up here, another one up here. Same this one. This one might get away with just having the one. This will just need the one here. Cheers, Rolly. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.